Ano ba talaga ang best workout routine para mag-build ng muscle? So before natin pag-usapan yan, dapat maintindihan muna natin kung ano ba talaga ang nagpapalaki sa muscle. Yung muscle kasi is tissue yan na ginagamit ng katawan natin para gumalaw. So lumalaki yan kapag nai-stress siya. So for example, nagbuhat ka ng mabibigat. After mo magbuhat ng mabibigat, anong nangyayari? Nagkakaroon siya ng maliliit na damage. And then, habang nagpapahinga ka, nire-repair niya yung sarili niya. At after ng repair na yun, doon siya lumalaki at lumalakas. So bakit nangyayari yun? Matalino kasi yung katawan natin eh. Mabilis siyang maka-adapt. Pag nag-workout ka kasi, binibigyan mo ng signal yung katawan mo na kailangan niya lumakas at lumaki. Kasi pag hindi siya lumakas at lumaki, hindi siya makakasabay sa susunod na workout mo. Kaya para lumaki yung muscle mo, kailangan niya ng tamang stress, tamang pagkain, at tamang pahinga. So yung pahinga dyan or yung recovery, very crucial yan ah. Kasi yung muscle natin, hindi siya lumalaki o hindi siya nagbibuild habang nag-workout ka. Lumalaki siya habang nagpapahinga ka. Lalo na habang natutulog ka. Kaya sobrang importante rin na at least 8 hours sleep per day. So ngayon, pag-usapan na natin kung ano ba yung best workout routine. Pero share lang ako ng konti guys ha. Back in 2015, nung first time ko mag-gym, ang turo sa akin ng coach ko na workout routine or workout split is yung bro split. Yan, sikat na sikat talaga yan dati. Siguro lahat ng nag-gym or may experience na dito, alam yan. So, paano ba yung bro split? Yung bro split, yan yung i-workout mo yung muscles mo ng once a week. So, for example, yung Monday mo, chest lang yun. So, yung Tuesday mo, back. Yung Wednesday mo, shoulders, gano'n. Yung Thursday mo, legs. Then yung Friday mo, arms naman yun. So, yun yung bro split. Sikat na sikat yun dati, naalala ko pa. So, ang idea dito, binibigyan mo yung bawat muscle ng full focus sa isang session. So, mas madami kang exercise sa isang muscle, pero madalang mo lang siya gagawin sa isang linggo. So, for example, nag-chest day ako ng Monday. So, yung susunod na chest day ko, next week na ulit. Ganun yung bro split. Effective naman siya, lalo na nung bago pa ako. Pero, syempre, habang nagkaka-experience ako, at nag-research na rin ako ng ibang workout routine, tapos nag-experiment na din ako, so nalaman ko na mas lumalaki pala yung muscle o mas nag improve siya pag tinitrain mo siya twice a week. So sa bro split kasi 'di ba hindi nga natin nakukuha yun or nagagawa yun. Kasi nga once a week mo lang natitrain yung isang muscle. Actually, meron study tungkol diyan. A 2016 meta-analysis published in the journal Sports Medicine that training muscle groups twice a week is superior to once a week for muscle growth. The study found that higher training frequency, 2 times a week, resulted in significantly greater hypertrophy. Sa key findings, nakalagay din yan, the analysis covering over 10 studies indicated that training each muscle group at least twice a week is more effective than once a week. So meron ding nakalagay dyan sa frequency impact. The research suggests that while twice a week is better than once, there is no evidence that training 3 times a week offers significantly more benefits for muscle growth. Idea lang talaga yung twice a week na ite-train mo yung muscle mo. So, hindi naman na kailangan 3 times. So, ibig sabihin, hindi bro split yung pinaka-effective na workout routine. Kasi, natitrain lang niya yung each muscle ng once per week, di ba? So, ano ba talaga yung pinaka-the best na workout routine? Depende yan sa experience mo. Kung beginner ka pa lang, ang pinaka-the best na workout routine para sa'yo is full body workout. So, bakit? Kasi, pag beginner ka pa lang, hindi mo pa kailangan ng sobrang daming exercise para lumaki eh. Sa full body workout kasi, natitrain mo yung major muscle groups mo sa isang session lang. So, ibig sabihin, mas madalas nakakakuha ng signal yung muscle mo para lumaki. Kahit 3 times a week ka lang mag-training. Ang isa pang maganda dyan, natututunan mo kasi agad yung mga basic movements na sobrang importante sa long-term muscle growth mo at strength. Ganito yung full body workout routine. So, schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So, example lang to ha. Pwede mo rin gawin Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So, ikaw na bahala. At least, 3 times a week kang magbubuhat. Tapos, yung rules natin dyan is first, syempre, focus on compound lifts. Diba sa mga video ko, lagi kong sinasabi yan. More muscles, more growth. Second rule naman is progressive overload. Add reps or weight every week. So, ang goal is lumakas ka. So, third rules naman dyan, leave 1 to 2 reps in reserve. Don't train to failure yet. Ibig sabihin, pag beginner ka pa lang kasi, wag muna isasagad. Then, fourth rule dyan is rest 2 to 3 minutes on big lifts. And 60 to 90 seconds naman sa mga accessories dyan. Yung big lifts na sinasabi is yung mga compound. Di ba? Example niyan is deadlift, ganun. Yung sa mga accessories naman, yung example niyan is yung mga bicep curl, okay? Hahatiin natin sa dalawa yung workout natin, ha? Workout A and workout B. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, magiging salitan lang siya. So, for example dyan, pag Monday, workout A yung gagawin mo, Wednesday, workout B, sa Friday, workout A ulit, then sa next Monday naman, workout B. Ganun lang, alternate. Workout A muna tayo. So, yung first exercise mo is barbell squat, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Second exercise is bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Third exercise is lat pull down or pull ups, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 4 is dumbbell Romanian deadlift, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 5 is dumbbell lateral raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. And then number 6 naman is sit-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Workout B naman tayo. First exercise is deadlift, 3 sets of 3 to 5 reps. Number 2, overhead press, 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Number 3 is barbell or dumbbell row is 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. And then number 4 is walking lunges, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Each leg pala yan, ha. Number 5 is dumbbell curl, 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And number 6 is leg raises, 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Kung hindi ka naman beginner or ma-experience ka na, ang pinaka-the best na workout routine para sa'yo is PPL or push-pull legs. Ito yung current na workout routine ko ngayon. At para sa akin, ito rin yung pinaka-the best sa lahat. So bakit? Una, na-hit din niya ng twice a week yung bawat muscle group. And then yung pangalawa, maganda kasi yung distribution ng PPL. Enough yung workload tsaka yung rest mo o yung recovery. Ito yung workout routine pag PPL. So day 1, yung Monday mo, push. So ang target natin yan is yung chest, shoulders, tsaka tricep. So first exercise mo dyan is barbell bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Second exercise is incline dumbbell press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Third exercise is overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Yung fourth exercise is dumbbell lateral raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Then yung number 5 is cable or bench dips, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And then yung pang-anim na exercise mo naman dyan is triceps rope push down, 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. So day 2, Tuesday, pull naman tayo dyan. So yung target natin yan is yung back and biceps. So yung unang exercise natin is pull-ups or lat pull down. So 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Second exercise is chin-ups or reverse lat pull down, 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 3 is seated cable row, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 4 is barbell row, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. And then yung number 5 natin is barbell or dumbbell curl, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Number 6, yung last natin is hammer curl, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Day 3 natin, Wednesday, is legs. Ayan na, favorite ng lahat. Pinakamahirap. So number 1 is barbell squat, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 2 is Bulgarian split squat, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 3 is Romanian deadlift, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 4 is standing calf raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Then yung number 5 natin, yung last exercise is hanging leg raises or cable crunch, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. So Thursday, rest day natin yan. So yung day 4 natin is Friday na. Yung Friday naman natin is full body yan. So bakit? Kasi ang goal natin is ma-hit ng twice a week yung each muscle group. So yung first exercise mo is barbell squat. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Second exercise is incline dumbbell press. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Third exercise is pull-ups or lat pull down. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Fourth exercise is dumbbell shoulder press. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. So guys, ang gusto kong tandaan nyo, ang pinaka-importante pa rin is maging consistent ka. So yun lang. Kung may napulot kang aral sa video na 'to, pa-like naman ako and then pa-share na lang din kasi baka makatulong sa mga friends mo, 'di ba? So yun lang guys, thank you ulit then see you sa next video.